Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Talk Academy podcast. I'm Daniel, and today we have a simple but fun topic, at the cafe. And of course, I'm not alone. Amelie is here with me. Hi, Amelie.
Hi, Daniel. Hi, listeners. I'm happy to be here. Today's topic is easy, useful, and nice. We are at a cafe right now, and the smell of coffee is so good.
Yes, it smells amazing. And this place is cozy, warm, and quiet. Perfect for a simple English conversation. And today, we speak slowly, very slowly, so our A1, A2 students can understand everything.
Exactly. So, dear students, relax and listen. Imagine you are in a cafe with us. Listen to the phrases, the questions, and the answers. Maybe repeat after us. This is good practice.
All right, let's begin. We are sitting at a small wooden table. There are 2 chairs, 1 plant, 2 cups, and a big window. Outside, it is sunny, but a little windy. Inside, it's warm.
I like this place. It's small, but very friendly. The barista smiles at us every time.
Yes, he's very friendly. His name is Mark. He knows our names now because we come here often.
That's true. I come here every Monday. I like to drink coffee and work on my laptop.
And I come here on Fridays. I like to sit next to the window and read a book. So this cafe feels like home now.
Okay, Amelie, let's pretend we just arrived. We walk into the cafe. What happens?
We open the door, say hello, and look for a free table. Then we sit down and wait a little.
Yes. Then the barista comes and says, "Hello, what can I get for you today?"
And we say, I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Very simple. Students repeat, "I would like a cup of coffee, please."
And that's it. Very easy vocabulary.
Yes, super easy. Students, listen many times, practice many times. It helps a lot.
Okay, now let's talk like real people, relaxing in a cafe.
Yes, simple, small talk. A1, A2 level. Let's go.
Emily, what are you drinking today?
I'm drinking a latte. It's hot and sweet. I like it very much. And you?
I'm drinking black coffee. No sugar, no milk, just strong coffee.
Wow, strong. You like strong coffee, right?
Yes, I do. It helps me wake up in the morning.
I understand. I like sweet drinks more. Sometimes I drink hot chocolate, too.
Oh, yes. Hot chocolate is delicious. Do you drink it often?
Not very often. Maybe once a week. And what about you? Do you drink tea?
Sometimes, usually in the evening. Chamomile tea, mint tea. It's relaxing.
Nice. Tea is good, especially in winter.
So, Emily, why do you like this cafe?
Many reasons. First, it's quiet. Second, it's clean. Third, the staff is friendly. And fourth, the chairs are soft. I like soft chairs.
That's true. These chairs are very comfortable. I can sit for hours.
Yes, me too. And I like the music here. It's soft, slow, and relaxing.
Exactly. Not too loud, not too fast. Perfect for studying English.
Perfect for recording podcasts, too.
Absolutely.
So, Amelie, what are your plans after the cafe?
After the cafe, I will go to the supermarket. I need milk, eggs, bread, and apples. Then I will go home and cook dinner. What about you?
After this cafe, I will go to the gym. I want to exercise today.
Nice. What exercises do you do?
Mostly running and some weights.
Good for you. I should go to the gym, too.
Maybe we can go together one day.
Yes, why not? It sounds fun.
Amelie, how's the weather today?
It's sunny but windy. The sun is warm, but the wind is cold. What do you think?
I agree. It's a strange day, sunny and windy at the same time.
Yes, but I like it. It feels fresh.
True. And the sunlight in this cafe, look at the window. It's beautiful.
Very beautiful. It makes the cafe bright and nice.
Amelie, what are your hobbies?
I have many hobbies. I like reading, cooking, walking, and watching movies. What about you?
My hobbies are reading, going to the gym, and listening to music.
Oh, I love music. What kind of music do you like?
I like soft rock and jazz.
Jazz in the cafe. Perfect combination.
Yes, exactly.
Daniel, do you like meeting new people in cafes?
Sometimes, yes. If the person is friendly, I like to talk.
Me too. I like to meet new people and practice English.
Good idea. A cafe is a great place for English practice.
Daniel, what time is it now?
It's 3:15 p.m.
Oh, time goes fast in the cafe.
Yes, very fast. Time flies when the conversation is good.
Exactly.
Amelie, do you come to cafes alone or with friends?
Usually alone. I like quiet time, but sometimes with friends. It depends on my mood.
Same here. Sometimes I want to be alone and think. Sometimes I want to talk with someone.
Yes, cafes are perfect for both, alone time or social time.
True. And I always see people studying here. Students with laptops, notebooks, books.
Yes, many students study here. It's a good place for concentration.
Sometimes too good. I don't want to leave.
Yes, same for me.
So, Amelie, earlier we talked about drinks. Now, let's talk more about food in cafes. What foods do you like to eat here?
I like sweet things. I like chocolate cake, lemon cake, and blueberry muffins. And I really love croissants. They are soft, warm, and delicious.
Croissants are very popular. I also like them. But sometimes I like a simple sandwich, something small but tasty.
Yes, I understand. Sometimes I also eat a cheese sandwich when I'm hungry. It's light, but good.
And many cafes have salads now, healthy options.
Yes, I like chicken salad, but I don't eat salad in cafes very often. I usually eat salads at home.
True, salads are easier at home, but cakes in cafes, amazing.
Yes. Cakes in cafes are the best, especially when they are fresh.
Amelie, let's talk about the barista here. Mark, right?
Yes, Mark. He's very nice. He always remembers my order.
Really? What does he remember?
He knows I always order a latte with 1 sugar. Every Monday. Every time.
Wow, that's cool. I think he remembers me too. I always order strong black coffee.
Yes, he knows your drink for sure. When you walk in, he probably thinks, Daniel is here. Coffee time.
Yes, maybe so. Some cafes feel like family when the staff knows your order.
Yes, and that's why I like this place. Friendly people make the place warm.
How would you describe the atmosphere here?
Mmm. I would say soft, warm, peaceful, and cozy. The lights are warm yellow, not too bright. The music is soft. The chairs are comfortable. The people speak quietly. It's peaceful.
Good description. I agree. This cafe is calm. No loud sounds, no stress. Good for relaxing.
Yes, exactly. I think cafes like this help people study, think, or work.
And record podcasts.
Yes, perfect place for our English Talk Academy podcast.
Now, let's give our listeners some conversation examples. Very simple, very slow.
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking tea.
What are you eating?
I'm eating a cookie.
It looks delicious.
Do you like this cafe?
Yes, I love it. It's cozy.
What are you doing after this?
I'm going home.
Amelie, many students study English in cafes. What do you think about that?
I think it's a great idea. A cafe is not too quiet, not too loud. It has soft noise, and this helps you focus. And you have drinks, snacks, and a calm place to sit.
Yes, and you can bring a notebook, a book, or your phone and practice speaking or listening.
Exactly. You can listen to podcasts like this one, read short English texts, or practice writing.
Sometimes I prepare lessons in this cafe.
Really?
Yes, I sit here with coffee, open my laptop, and write new ideas for English lessons.
Nice. I also do that sometimes. I write vocabulary lists or plan videos. Daniel, you travel a lot. Do you visit cafes in other countries too?
Yes, I do. In every country, cafes are different. In Italy, the coffee is very strong. In France, the pastries are amazing. In Japan, cafes are very cute and quiet. In Turkey, tea is everywhere.
Wow, that sounds fun. I want to visit a French cafe one day.
You will love it. The croissants there, oh my God.
I can imagine. Fresh, buttery, soft.
Exactly.
Let's describe things here. This helps A1, A2 students a lot.
Good idea. Let's do it.
The table is brown, wooden, and small.
The chairs are soft, green, and comfortable.
The window is big and clean.
The lights are warm and yellow.
The plants are green, fresh, and beautiful.
Amelie, how do you feel right now?
I feel relaxed, calm, happy. The cafe makes me feel peaceful.
Same for me. I feel good, comfortable, and focused. I like recording podcasts in this atmosphere.
Yes, me too.
Amelie, how long do you usually stay in a cafe?
Usually 1 hour, sometimes longer if I work on my laptop.
Same for me. 1 hour is normal. 2 hours if I'm reading or writing.
Some people stay all day with coffee and a laptop.
Yes, I see that too.
Daniel, look around. There are many types of people here.
Yes, there is a student with a laptop, a couple drinking tea, 2 friends talking, 1 old man reading a newspaper, and a young girl writing in a notebook.
People come to cafes for many reasons. To study, to talk, to relax, to work, to read, to think.
Exactly.
Daniel, do you use your phone in the cafe?
Yes, sometimes. I check messages, read news, or listen to music.
Me too. But I try not to use my phone too much. I want to enjoy the moment.
Smart idea. Phones can take all our time.
Daniel, do you ever write in a diary?
Sometimes. In cafes, I write small notes or ideas.
Nice. I keep a small journal too. I write about my day, thoughts, dreams.
Cool. Journaling in a cafe feels special.
Yes, with a warm drink and quiet music, it feels perfect.
Let's give our listeners more useful phrases. Repeat after us.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have a tea, please?
For here or to go?
For here, please.
That's all, thank you.
Do you have croissants?
How much is the cappuccino?
Perfect. Very useful for cafes.
Daniel, we talked for a long time. My latte is finished now.
My coffee too. Maybe it's time to go.
Yes, but it was a nice time. Calm, warm, and productive.
Exactly. We talked about drinks, food, the cafe, atmosphere, travel, plans, hobbies, everything.
And we helped our A1, A2 students practice English.
Dear listeners, thank you for joining us at the cafe today. We hope you enjoyed this long, simple, clear conversation.
Yes. Listen again, repeat the phrases, and practice. Simple English can do big things.
This was the English Talk Academy podcast with Daniel.
And Amelie.
See you next time.
Goodbye.